Hey everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners. In this video, you will learn to trade on investing.com app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded investing.com and let's click on the app. And here you can find various options available here. Firstly, you have to log into your account and you can click on any of the shares and the indices or anything you want to trade. Look at the overview, technical news analysis, and research about this. You can research about this particular stock and you can start trading. After researching, you can look at the charts and scroll up to the bottom, and there is the option of start trading. This will open a new browser to get connected with the traders, and there you go, you can trade from the investing.com app. Isn't it that simple? That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries can be dropped in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.